You guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a package review and I'm joined by a special guest, Strawberry Laces by Tesco. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to end up eating these halfway through the video, but yeah. Anyway, I wanted to clarify two things. I'm very sick, I've got a cold. And yeah. Let's go poo. No, I've got a really bad cough. And you'll probably hear it, well, you will hear it through this video because I just can't stop coughing when I cough. Yeah. I've got a slime package from sassyslimerxox. I'm just going to put my strawberry laces away, guys. I'm just going to keep eating them for the whole video. Hello, guys. But, yeah. This is the bag. From sassyslimerxox, if I haven't already said. I love the emoji bag. Okay. So I'm gonna get the note of the. Oh, there's a note. Okay. I'm gonna. Probably can't read it because. Oh no, you can. So you can pause it if you can't understand my voice. Anyway, it says to Katie Slimes. Thank you for reviewing sassyslimerxox's slimes items: green fluffy, pink jiggly cake mix. I'm excited for that one. Green apple crunch. Ooh. Fluffy purple butter and extras. Borax, yes. Chocolate, sherbet. XOX. Go on her channel. I give her one too. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about my chocolate. Okay, right. So let's just go on with the slime. This one, green apple crunch. Whoa. So she said this one has flame beads in it. I think she said, or she had said it's got flame beads in it, or it's just like really like complete. And I'm going to be using this so you can see what I'm doing. So like you can see the slime. Literally, I've just had all this set out. See over. I've just had literally all this set out. Okay, there we go. You can see the slime. I've got airwick just in case it's sticky. But I know she does not use airwick, but you know. So, is that just come off that? Ah, it's got paint on it. Oh, God's sake. This one's really nice. Ooh, the crunchy. Bit sticky. Ah. Oh my God, it leaves glitter. Ah! No! I wanted to keep my hands clean. And a bit of activator. But yeah. Don't go at me! I mean, I understand the way that you don't want the flame beads to fall out, but they are falling out. Ah, that's one, yeah. That just fell out. But, I do like this slime, very glittery, so if you like really glittery slime, I think this is a clear one too. I don't know, let me know if it's clear. But anyway, this is a clear one. So yeah, let me just mix this. Woo. But yeah, I love it. I love it so much. I think I've got a crack. But yeah, you just completely lost count of the slime. So if you hear my mum. But yeah. Yeah, I like it. Just a bit sticky. I'm gonna rate it a 8. No, I'm gonna rate it a 7 because that's the name, by the way. It leaves glitter. I don't know if you can see. You can see a little bit. It leaves little extras on your fingers and stuff. Yeah. Give it. What did I say? I don't know what I said. You know what I said. Anyway, that's the first one. Okay, so we're going for this one. Oh, let's have it. This one's purple. What's this? This is the fluffy purple butter. Oh, my dog's here. What a delight. Bonnie! Bon! It's the first time I've ever seen my dog! Okay, looks like he's joining us then. Barney, you just wrecked my view. Ah, I got slime. Okay, now he's gone. Anyway, that was the first time I've ever seen my dog, wasn't it? No, I like the 3D. Okay, sorry about this bar, but you know, you have to deal. Anyway, whoa, so we got this purple one. Oh, that's really bugging me now. Why did I move it? Okay, there we go. Well, still there, yes, I know. So this is it. Is it? I don't know. Is this maybe Daiso clay? Let me know. It feels like it is. It feels really nice though. Whoa, that was really glittery. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but there is glitter. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you come back because you heard the pops. You just see them. Bob, come here. Come here. Don't come here then. I was thinking of naming a slime after my dog Barney. And I've got one in mind. But I don't want to say it in case somebody... No, it's Barney's Butter. But I need to get some clay so I can make a butter slime. Yeah, sorry about this cold, it's really annoying. But I'm going to give this slime an 8. I don't know if this is the same score as the other one. If it is, then yeah. You have to deal with it, won't you? This is... Oh no, leaked. I mean, that's okay. I'm not that bothered. It never leaked all over the package, at least. I don't think. No. Oh, yeah, it did. A little bit. That much. I can't even see. I love the texture on this one. Oh my god! How did you get the texture like that? It's fab. Ah. Okay, sorry about that. My brother just come up and Barney went crazy. But anyway, I love the texture on this one. Really soft. I also got to claim I've got a really bad cut on my finger. Nettles happened. Yes, I'm okay. Just really stings. But yeah, let me know if you like this mirror thing because then you get to see what I'm doing on the floor. Because usually I'm just like doing something and you can't even see what I'm doing. I'm sorry that I keep sniffling. I'm gonna go blow my nose. Okay, hope that's better now. That won't annoy me now. Anyway. Sorry. Just saying if you watch the video you might get the plague. I'm doing. But anyway. I love this one. This one was a fluffy, green fluffy. But yeah, I love it so much. You could do some awesome pops with it too. Oh, it's got some glitter. It's actually got so much in it. So. Okay, so the last one that we have, it is Pink Jiggly Cake Mix. I'm excited for this one. I love jiggly slimes. Oh, this is what you call a jiggly slime. I've just put my hand. Ah, no! I need to wipe my hand quick. No. I've put my hand in water. Ah, that's annoying. Right, anyway. That is fab. Woo! Oh my god. Whoa. Fab. No, you can't say. Ah! love this one so much. Anyway, I need to get onto the extras. I feel like I've been playing with this slime forever, and this video is going to take forever if I just play with this one, but this one is amazing. This one's my favourite. This one gets a 10 out of 10. This one also gets a 9 out of... No, not that one. This one gets a 9 out of 10. Anyway, now to the extras. So, borax. There's no borax in here. It's sort of really far, but okay. I was excited for that, but okay. Anyway, I prefer the slime than the borax, so you know. But yeah. Anyway, so no borax, but we've got a chocolate. We've got this. So Quality Street. I love Quality Streets. And we got this sherbet tube. So yeah, let's see this chocolate. Quality Street faves. Oh, it's a toffee penny. I love these. Made my day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, this was my favourite. Let me know which one was your favourite. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!